Hello, creating family. Alice here. Are you ready to tap into an AI side hustle that can help you make $5,000 a month? If you are tired of traditional side hustle that require a whole lot of time and upfront investment, then you are in for a treat. Today, I'll be sharing with you AI-driven side hustle that you can actually start tomorrow and start making serious money. AI is transforming the way we create, hereby opening opportunities for those who want to take advantage of this AI era. AI is not for the future, AI is for the now. So it's important for you to take advantage of AI now and make tons of money for yourself. The best part is you don't need to be a tech expert or spend hours learning complex coding. With the right tools, you can use AI to launch a profitable side hustle in a very short period of time. So with all that being said, let's explore top 5 AI side hustles that can actually help you make $5,000 monthly. First on my list is freelance AI content creation. With AI written tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai, you can write article, blog posts, social media content, or even product description in a fraction of the time it normally takes. Many businesses are looking for high quality content, but they don't have the time to create it themselves. So here is where you come in. You can charge from $50 to $200 per piece depending on the niche you are in. By constantly generating AI quality content, you can easily make $5,000 with 10 to 20 clients. Next up, I have AI powered graphic design. If you have eyes for designs, you can leverage on tools like Midjourney, Canva, Della.e to create stunning visuals, logo, and marketing materials. These platforms using AI to generate high-quality graphics in minutes. You can sell your design on Etsy, 99 Design, or Fiverr. With the right marketing, you can easily make $5,000 a month by selling logos, templates, custom design to clients in need. Next on my list, I have AI-powered social media management. With tools like Buffer, Hotsuite, or even AI-based scheduling platform like SocialBean, you can help influencers maintain constant online presence. AI can help scheduling posts, analyzing engagement, and even help in writing captions. You can offer full service on social media management package, allowing clients to face their businesses while you manage their digital presence. You can charge $500 to $200 per month. And the beautiful thing is you can even have more than 2, 3, 4 clients. With that, you can make more than $5,000 a month. If you have watched this video to this extent, it means it's value for your time. Please consider smashing the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content just like this, and don't forget to share. Next on my list, I have virtual assistants. As a virtual assistant powered by AI, you can manage emails, schedule appointments, and even offer customer support tasks for businesses. AI tools like Notion, Zipper, and even AI bots can help you streamline your work. By offering these services to busy entrepreneurs, you can easily earn $30 to $50 per hour. A steady stream of clients can help you earn $5,000 a month while working flexibly from your home. This is amazing. How cool is this? Next up, I have AI-based coaching or consulting. If you have expertise in a particular field, whether it's marketing, business, personal development, you can actually start an AI-based consulting on coaching business. AI tool can help you analyze data, personalize recommendations, and automate certain aspects of your coaching service. You can charge premium rates for one-on-one sections, group coaching, or AI-generated reports. With just few clients a month, you could earn $5,000 or even more while providing personalized advice with the help of AI. There you have it, lucrative family, 5 AI-driven side hustle that you can start tomorrow, that you can actually make $5,000 from a month or even more. The future of work is here. It's all about leveraging on AI to get the work job for us to work smarter and not harder. Choose the hustle that suits you best and start building your AI side hustle today. Drop your comment below and let me know which of the AI side hustle you are so excited and eager to start. If you have watched this video to this extent, it means it's value for your time. Please consider smashing the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content just like this. And don't forget to share. There are thousands of people out there who are looking for legit way to make money online. You sharing this video might just save someone's life. The video that is shown on your screen right now is actually a video that YouTube recommend that you should watch from this channel. It's a step-by-step guide on how you can make money online the laziest way ever, in my opinion, either offline or online. Click on it and I'll see you there.